Can your child choose who they want to live with? Common question that I get. People come to me and they say, look, my child doesn't want to go to their father or their mother's house. They want to stay and live with me. Well, that happens, right? And that is something the court considers. But just because your kid says, hey, I don't want to go over to mom or dad's house, doesn't mean that they don't have to go over to that other party's house, right? If your parenting plan says you're supposed to have this week with the kid, and then next week, say mom or dad's supposed to have that week with the child, you can't just ignore that because your child says they don't want to go over to the party's house. Now, there can be certain exceptions that might give you some flexibility to bend the rules, but absent some kind of extreme abuse situation, your child does have to go back over to the other house and follow the parenting plan until you can get back in front of a judge and change and modify your existing plan. So just because your child comes to you and says, hey, I don't want to go back to the other party's house, doesn't mean you're off the hook. You still have to follow your parenting plan until you get either a new agreement or a new order in place that allows that flexibility. Now, if you're going through this situation and you need help modifying your parenting plan to better accommodate what you think is in your child's best interest, give my office a call. We service the entire Tri-Cities, Tennessee area. My name's Jack Inman, and I'd be happy to sit down and talk with you about your case. My number is 423 777 8396.